DMAIC methodology, the ultimate guide. The DMAIC methodology.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Methodology stands as an example of structured quality for the process improvement and quality enhancement for businesses using Lean Six Sigma for quality management. This approach has been widely adopted across industries to achieve improvements in performance and reduce defects. DMAIC stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. This powerful framework for process improvement and quality management begins with the application of the DMAIC methodology. The subsequent phases involve data gathering and analysis to identify root causes, followed by implementing improvements and establishing controls for sustainability. DMAIC is favored for its structured, data-driven approach, enabling organizations to enhance consistency, reduce costs, satisfy customers, boost efficiency, and drive innovation. First, let's understand why DMAIC is crucial in the world of quality management and process improvement. Why the DMAIC process? The DMAIC process is a vital tool in the domain of quality management and process improvement. Following are a few important concepts. Structured problem solving. One of the crucial reasons organizations adapt DMAIC is its structured problem solving approach. It provides a clear path to follow when tackling complex issues. This structure ensures that no critical steps are missed in the quest for improvement. Instead of resorting to guesswork or implementing quick fixes, DMAIC guides teams through a well-defined process, increasing the probability of sustainable solutions. Data-driven decision-making. In today's digital world, the ability to make data-driven decisions is crucial. DMAIC places a strong emphasis on data collection and analysis. By gathering and analyzing data at each stage of the process, organizations can make evidence-based decisions. This data-driven approach not only leads to more accurate problem identification but also helps in sharing the impact of improvements, making it easier to justify investments. Focus on root cause analysis. One common pitfall in problem solving is addressing symptoms rather than root causes. DMAIC, especially in its analyze phase, encourages organizations to dig deep and identify the underlying issues. This emphasis on root cause analysis ensures that improvements are substantive and lasting, rather than superficial fixes that lead to recurring problems. Alignment with Six Sigma and Lean principles. Many organizations have already adopted Six Sigma and Lean principles to enhance efficiency and reduce defects. DMAIC seamlessly aligns with these methodologies, making it a natural choice for organizations that have already embraced these quality management approaches.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.